Doxy.me Telehealth Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Doxy.me and related services are in the description. Doxy.me is a simple, secure and HIPAA-compliant telehealth platform designed specifically for healthcare providers. Unlike many telehealth services that focus on direct-to-consumer care, Doxy.me provides a no-download, browser-based solution that allows doctors, therapists, and other medical professionals to conduct virtual visits with patients seamlessly. It's ideal for healthcare providers looking for a reliable, easy-to-use telemedicine platform without complex setup requirements. One of Doxy.me's biggest strengths is its simplicity. Patients don't need to download an app or create an account. Providers simply send a secure link, and patients can join the video consultation from any device with a browser. The platform is HIPAA, GDPR, and high-tech compliant, ensuring secure and private consultations. Doxy.me also offers a free plan with unlimited video calls, making it one of the most cost-effective telehealth solutions for individual practitioners. For those needing more features, paid plans offer HD video, screen sharing, and custom branding. Doxy.me is widely used by therapists, physicians, and other healthcare professionals due to its affordability and ease of use. It includes virtual waiting rooms, allowing providers to manage multiple patients efficiently. The paid versions offer additional features like payment collection, group calls, and analytics, making it a scalable solution for larger practices and organizations. However, Doxy.me does have some limitations. The free version has standard video quality, which may not be as sharp as premium telehealth platforms. It also lacks built-in EHR integration, requiring providers to manage records separately. Additionally, since it's a telehealth tool rather than a medical service, it doesn't provide direct access to doctors or insurance-covered care like platforms such as Teladoc or Amwell. Overall, Doxy.me is an excellent choice for healthcare providers looking for a simple, secure, and cost-effective telehealth platform. It's best suited for professionals who need a lightweight, no-frills virtual care solution without unnecessary complexity. If you're a provider looking for an easy-to-use telehealth tool, Doxy.me is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.